Well, do you like my makeup?
Okay.
Look at my hair, babe. Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm doing a new type of video. I'm going to be doing a review on this full lace wig from youthbeauty.com. Now this wig is a full lace wig and this is the deep curly. It also came with this cute little bag to put my wig in. So cute. And it is 20 inches. So now we are about to bleach these knots. This is my first time bleaching knots, so bear with me. But I'm using BW2 bleach because Cliff told me to get that, and 30 developer, which Cliff told me to get too. So I'm just gonna mix all that up and just make sure it's kind of thick enough so that it doesn't run through the knots. So I already started adding some of the bleach on there. When you're putting the bleach on there, you want to make sure you're holding it up so that it doesn't drip down when you're applying the bleach. Like I said, this is my first time doing this, so it kind of took me a while. I just kept trying to like get the right position to bleach the shit, like damn. But I was trying my best not to get the hair like in the mix of the bleach, just to like focus on the knots, if that makes sense. But I still end up having problems at the end anyway, which I'm going to show you guys how to fix when the bleach bleeds through the hair. I'm going to show you guys how to fix that later in the video. So once you wash the bleach out, you want to use shimmer lights to kind of get rid of the brassiness. So we're about to put on the wig. It came with this cap. Now I'm going to be leaving the wig curly, so it was no need to blow dry it. So now to apply the cap, I'm going to be using Got To Be glue spray. I think that's what it's called. Yeah. got to be glued spray, and I'm going to put this on the cap so that the cap can stay. And this is going to be like a foundation for the wig so they could kind of like blend a little more. And yeah, you just want to spray it all over, and you can either let it air dry or you can let it blow dry like I'm about to. So once it's fully dry, we're going to start cutting. Just watch what I'm doing. It's better to watch what I'm doing because I can't really explain it. Okay? Okay. But when you're cutting the excess cap off, you want to make sure you're cutting it to fit your hairline, okay? So you could peel back the wig cap if you feel like, you know, your hairline is more back. You could pull it back, it'll still stay. So now I'm just going to take the wig and kind of line it up, see what I'm working with. You know, I really don't know what I'm doing, so I'm like, what the fuck? Like, this shit looks crazy. But don't worry, it's going to look better at the end. So I'm just lining it up with my hairline, seeing what's going on. I kind of over plucked it a little bit too. So now we're going to take Nairobi hair foam just to get, you know, all the flyaways out the way. You know what I'm saying? So we can see what we're working with here. See, you can see right there, like, where I over plucked it. But it's okay, it's my first time doing it, okay? So now after you use the foam, you just want to clip it back to get the hair out your way. So when we cut the lace, we're not cutting any hair that we need. And you want to make sure you're bringing, you know, the frontal towards your hairline. Now what I use is a NYX white pen, well, eyeliner pen, the jumbo pen, and I'm just lining my hairline. So you want to bring the frontal to match your hairline and then use this to draw it out. So that way when you cut it, it kind of, you know, makes it easier. It's just so much easier. And the good thing is to wipe off that eyeliner, it's pretty easy. Just use a makeup wipe. You know what I'm saying? Not a big deal. So you want to make sure that you're also cutting behind your ear. And don't worry, I'm going to cut the back lace off because I'm not going to wear it in a ponytail or anything. So I'm going to cut the back lace off. But on that side, I messed up. On this side, I did better. Because you want to make sure that you create flaps at the end to create like little sideburns, you know. But like I said, I fixed it later in the video. So you want to cut it like how I'm doing it right here. Not how I did the other side. Because you want to make sure you have the flaps to create like a little sideburn. See, sideburn, no sideburn, but I'm gonna make it work. You'll see. It's pretty easy. So now after we cleaned all that up, I'm going to be using my Bold Hold lace glue, and you want to put it right before your hairline to protect your edges. You don't want to put it on your edges. It's kind of like going on your skin. Now, my skin looks like that because I've been wearing frontals this summer, so yeah, I got a tan. But yeah, you just want to use like, you know, a little piece of cardboard or something you really don't care about to kind of spread out the glue. And you just let this, you know, become tacky. Some people blow dry it. I just let mine air dry. Dun dun dun. So this is really what the fucking wig looks like, y'all. That shit looks crazy. You really couldn't see it when I was trying it on before because I had put makeup on it, but I ended up taking the makeup off because I just wanted to show you guys how I got rid of it. So yeah, so now we're just gonna line it up with our hairline as I'm doing right here. And don't worry, like you see that extra lace on that side, don't worry, we're gonna cut that off because it's like a little ball area there, and plus it needs to match my hairline a little bit more. So this is the fun part about it, you know, you could just customize it. And guys, this is my first time ever doing this. It's kind of like crazy. But I just been watching Cliff do my hair and other people do my hair, so I just been learning a little bit. Of course, they do way better than me. This shit's kind of like hard, but eventually you start to get the hang of it. So now once you got her in formation, you know, just take the blow dryer just to make sure that everything is dry. And don't worry about if you see extra lace, because we could cut that off. That's the beauty of when it's on, you can customize it more. So now with the Nairobi setting lotion, we're just going to smooth everything out. Make sure everything is laying flat. If my hair was straight, I would have just hot combed it, but since we're wearing it curly, this was just much easier. Go ahead and slap that on there. Now I'm going to be taking out my baby hairs. Like I said, I had already plucked this wig and I did a bad job, so yeah. But you're supposed to pluck after you bleach the knots. My dumb ass didn't do that. But yeah, just taking it out so we can get those ready. And I'm going to start plucking it again just to customize it. That's a good thing about having it on your head. It's just easier to customize. And this lace is not transparent, so I had to work harder. Now using this razor, this is how I'm going to make soft baby hairs. Now with this L'Oreal root spray, I got the dark brown. This is how I'm going to kind of cover up those bleach spots. Try not to get it on your lace. This lace is a little bit darker than my skin tone. So yeah, I just, you know, trying to make it work. Because technically I normally get transparent lace. So I think transparent lace is just way better because it melts right into your skin. So now, still playing around with these baby hairs. You know, with the razor just to make them softer. This is so funny, y'all, because I just watched Cliff do this type of stuff. I really don't know what I'm doing, but it actually came out cute. Now, with doing your edges, you can use foaming lotion if you want, but I don't like doing that because it makes the lace come up sometimes. So I'm just going to keep plucking. You could use gel. I use Got To Be Glue gel to do the baby hairs, and that's what I was taught to do as well because, like I said, the foam makes it lift. Baby hairs are nowhere near done, but you know, I'm just still cleaning up any excess glue with a makeup remover wipe. And I did cut off some lace, I think. Yeah, I don't know if I got that part. My camera must have died. But I cut off like extra lace. If you see extra lace, you can cut that off. Like the bald areas, you could kind of like cut that off. That's what I did. So now taking your comb, you're going to put it right in the middle of the part and just spray it. Just keep spraying it, girl. This kind of took me a while to do because this is how you're going to get that sharp part. And I did this like multiple times. And you're going to take your foundation to make the part come back. If you sprayed the lace, you could just use the foundation to bring the part back. And I did this multiple times until I got it right. So you're going to see me probably repeat this step multiple times. Plucking and molding, spraying. Yeah, I'm going to be doing this multiple times until I get it perfect, okay? So yeah, just keep watching. So now I'm just taking this spray bottle that I got from Cliff. It's so cool because it kind of like sprays like a mist. And yeah, it just makes my hair look so pretty. Look at them edges, okay? That's after all that plucking. Like I said, you just want to pluck to your hairline. The thinner you pluck it, the more natural it looks. You don't want like thick ass baby hairs, you know? Now I'm using this Palmer's leave-in conditioner. I love this. I got this from BeautyCon. I'm just gonna drench my hair. Some more Nairobi, of course. I like to put this on my hair too. I don't know why. I put it all over my hair, but I was taught to put it at the roots. Then we need some coconut oil to make it shiny and look pretty. Here we go with this damn step, y'all. I need a crisp ass part, okay? I told y'all I was gonna be doing this multiple times. So now I'm just cleaning up any excess product or glue around my hairline, so you know when I do my makeup it's a little bit easier. So I'm about to do my makeup like right after this little clip, and yeah, I'm probably gonna play with my edges again to get it perfect because I still feel like something's not right. You said that'd be me.
Yeah.
No, I be cracking up.
And you make a motherfucker feel uncomfortable.
How? I be laughing. What the? Oh, you're so stupid. He was giving me a freak show, honey. That shit was a fucking mess, Cliff. I don't know why you even repeating that shit. That was so terrible.
That shit was funny.
No, nothing was more funny when that boy came over with that weird personality. We were just so lost.
I was looking at you, bro. You was up on Annie.
I was confused. Like, was he straight or what? Hold on, Cliffy. I was just basically making my part a little bit more crisp, and I'm just adding more product to my hair because it kind of like dried up a little bit. I like that wet look. But I think we're all done here, guys. I'm really proud of myself because this is my first time ever putting on a full wig. And I'm just excited, especially for it to not be transparent. The lace was a little bit darker than my skin, and I still made it work. All in all, I would say I really like this hair company. This curl pattern is so pretty. All the information will be in the description below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. I love you guys so much. Hopefully this helped somebody that is trying to put on a wig for the first time too. Bye.